Hello friends and family, welcome to Mr. Nice Entertainment TV. In other words, in short form of it, we can say Nice TV. Welcome to a brand new episode, which we title today, Words and Meaning in Esan Language. Words and Meaning in Esan Language. The words you used to sing. For example, you go to see the examples, the things you speak, the things you see with your eyes, the spelling, the pronunciation, and you don't know what it means in this language. I'm here, your teacher. I'm here to tell you, to teach you the meaning of words in Esan language. We are doing translating from English to Esan language. So without wasting much time, you know how we used to do it. Bring out your pen, your book, so that you can write something down. So I believe it is done. So without wasting time, let's go ahead. We are like a moving train. We gotta move so fast today. Number one, we have this. This in Esan language simply means "ona." In English language, we say this. This. Example, we sing, "This is the man." Then in Esan language, if you want to say exactly what I just said in English language, you said "ona onokbia." Ona onokbia. Ona onokbia ni me general we ele. This is the man I have been speaking of. This is the man. That is this in Esan language. Then we go to number two. We have that. That simply means oni. Oni. Yes, this is that. Oni. What is that? That book, that television. Maybe someone asks you, which one do you prefer? You say, Oni. Which one? Oni. That television. Oni. This is what we mean by that. Oni. Oni. That is that for you. Then we have happy. What is happy in Esan language? When we say happy, we mean happiness. I'm so happy today. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so very happy today. That is happy. Happy in Esan language. Then we have here. Here simply means here in English language. And in Esan language, we call it ena. Where are you standing? I'm standing here. Tuweda muja ena. I'm standing here. Ena. Ena. Don't get me wrong. Look at the spelling very well so that you can pronounce it very well. Pronunciation also means a lot when you are learning language. Look at it. Ena. Ena. Here. Ena. That is what we mean by here. Then we have dear. Dear. Where are you going? I'm going there. Where are you going? I'm going there. There simply means in Esan language eni. Eni. Where are you going? I'm going there. Then in Esan language, Joesha mention eni. Where are you going? In English language, I'm going there. Then in Esan language, Joesha mention eni. You seen it? Eni simply means dear in Esan language. Then after that we have where. Where. What is where in Esan language? Ija. In Esan language, where mean ija. Where are you going? Ija wesha. Where are you going? That is English language. Then you translate it right now. It means Juweshan Ijiaweshan. That is where in Esan language. Ijia. Where means Ijia. Then we have and. What is and in Esan language? And means be. Maybe for example, let me put this sentence in English language. And me. And me. In Esan language we call it be me. Yes, when you translate and from English to Esan, it gives you be. For example, ime bi uwe, which is me and you. Ime bi uwe. That means definitely and signifies be, which is bi. Be in Esan language. Be. Bi. That is and. Ime bi uwe, me and you. Just looking at me. Me bi uwe, which is me and you. That is what we mean by and in Esan language. We have but in Esan language. But in Esan language mean okpakino. Okpakino. You see the spelling? I once told you, you have to understand the spelling very well so that you can pronounce them in a correct form. It's very important. Okpakino. Then let me make a sentence for you. I wanted to travel, but I wanted to travel, but then let's take it back in our dialect right now, Esan. Mere gwando ni me ashi unhuamu wede. Okpakino. You seen it now? Mere gwando ni me ashi unhuamu wede. Okpakino. I wanted to travel, but do you just seen it? That means but simply means okpakino. Okpakino. That is but in Esan language. Okpakino. And we have why. Why? What is why in Esan language? Why in Esan language simply mean bezeli. Bezeli. Why? 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 Why did you go there? Why did you bring it for me? Why did you go to where I sent you? Yes. Beshole wewaye da regime. Why did you bring it to me again? Why did you bring it to me? Maybe you pay for something and you ask the person to bring it to you at home. Yeah. Then maybe a few days later you come in contact with this person, you meet this person again, then you have to ask a question. Bezele waye da regime? Which is question. Bezele waye da regime? Why didn't you bring it to me again? Which is the question. That means why simply means bezeli. That is just why. It is bezeli. Why didn't you bring it to me? Bezeli why that regime? Simply used for question. As we all know, why is a question. Anyway, you see why you're supposed to know that means for question. Then after why we have a while. Check the spelling. It's not the Y, it's not the WHY, but it's WHILA, which is while. Why mean Omiegekiri? Let me make a sentence for you. You will be staying here for a while. You will be staying here for a while. In the Esan language we say, "Weri Davidana for Omiegekiri." Weri Davidana for Omiegekiri. Or in our Kidaye for Omiegekiri. You will be staying here for a while. Or Here will be the place you will be staying for a while. Ina wakida yefo umenge kiri. Or ina wakida yefo umenge kiri now. Just simply mean umenge kiri while, a while, you know. A while simply mean umenge kiri. And we have what? What also stands for question. What? What? In the Esan language, yes, in the Esan language we use it as ebela, as you can see in the writing. But if we want to speak, sometimes you see that L in the midst, we kill it, we slice it, we cut its head, we cook it, and we eat it. We don't put that inside. Ebea simply mean we remove the L. But in writing, you have to put the L, ebela. But when you want to use it normally, ebea. So it seems that you don't put that L. What? Ebea, ebea. What is it? Ebea no. And peace. Peace. Everybody know what is peace. Yeah, we call it in the Esan language ofure. Peace. Peace. Ofure. Let me make a sentence with peace. Example mean we call people by names peace. Peace simply mean peace of mind, no trouble, everything is going fine. I am at peace finally. Ofure. Jerebe fure, Odegbe or fure, Onuwa or fure, everything is accurate, everything is perfect, no trouble, no wahala, everything is okay. That is what we mean by peace. We have unity. Unity in the Esan language we call it okugbe, which is we call it like this. Okugbe. What does it signify? Unity, coming together in one mind, coming together in agreement. Unity. When people come together, it comes, we are united. Unity. Okugbe. Unity. That's what we call unity in Esan language. Okugbe. 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 We have patience. Patience means ziegbe. Ziegbe. Have patience. Have patience. Where mo iziegbe, mo iziegbe. In life, when an elderly man wants to advise a young man, let me say, we the young people, they will always say, have patience. Life is not what you think. Life is step by step. It's gradually. But we the young men, we want to fly up and grab what belongs to us by force. Also, that's what we call ziegbe. Have patience. Have patience. Ziegbe. Have patience in life. And we have because. It's because of you. If not, I will have because in the song we call it ramude. Let me make it in the Esan language. In English language we call it if not because of you. And when we translate to Esan language we say ramude ade oyi ramude. Ade oyi ramude. Ramude so if not because of you. And we have when. When in the Esan language mean ege. When are you coming back? Ege away arrival. When are you going? Ege away reaction. Simply mean when. Form of time. Ege mean time. When. Ege simply mean ege. But when you want to use it for statement or a sentence or something that concerns writing, you write it like this. Eri. But when you want to speak it, Eria. Eria where refine. Eria where sham. That was a little different but don't worry, it's simple. I'm always here for you. If there's anything you understand or you want to do, just write your comment. Everything will be fine. I'm here to make things right with you. I just want you to understand everything I'm teaching you. So that is it every time. Then we have fasting. Fasting. In churches we say fasting and prayer. The fasting means azimi. Mefiazimi, which means I am fasting. Azimi, fasting. And we have holy. What is holy? For someone to be holy. 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 Holiness. Holy. For someone to be holy, it means ushami. Ushami. We say, what I mean, shami, that person is holy. 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 Holiness. In holy we have a holiness. Simply mean ushami. Holiness. Ushami. A person is so holy. What I mean, or shami. We call it in the Esan language. Holy. Holiness. Ushami. Ushami. And we have a know. For someone to know something, we call it ulemi. You see, there is a little bit something you need to understand here. Ulemi, for someone to know something. I know this. Meleona. But in terms of writing, it's like a verb of it. You see, ulemi is how we write it. In terms of writing, this is how it will be. But when you want to, talk, speak, Meleona, I know this. I know this. Meleona. If you want to write it, we call it ulemi. It's like verb of it. You understand? So verb of it is ulemi. If you want to, speak it as I said, we call it Meleona. Meleona. Weleona. You know this. I know this. Is what we call known. We have learn. Learn means ulemi, to learn something. Melway mechanic. Melway ibare bungwaye. I learn mechanic. I learn how to build a house, which is a bricklayer. I learn mechanic. I learn how to build houses. Ulwemi, to learn something. Learn. Ulwemi, as you can see how it is being written. Ulwemi, which we call learn. We have faith. Faith. Ureo. To have faith in God. I trust God. I have faith in God. I believe in God. Believe, faith, they work in one category. Faith. Ureo. I have faith in God. Memu ureo senobla. Memu ureo senobla. I have faith in God. What we call faith, which means ureo in this language. Ureo. To have faith in somebody, to have faith in God, to have faith in what you're doing or what you're serving. Ureo. Faith in there is then we have a thing, which simply means aiming. This thing, on aiming now. Aiming. I have a little thing inside my shoe. You can easily say, I have a thing, I don't know what is it, that is itching me in my leg. No so thing. This thing, on aiming now. Aiming simply mean thing. Thing. Generally, thing simply mean this language aiming. Aiming, it might be, little thing or somehow big or somehow or whatever it is. Aiming. Little things or however it might come, but I want you to know that thing mean aiming in the Esan language. Then we have the label. Label simply means Esan Some work and labor. Work, you do hard work, easy work. Labor mean work. Maybe you work in the farm, you did a great job. We believe when you work, maybe you go to the farm, you work, you are so tired. And you want to say to someone, I'm so tired. Maybe the person will ask you, why are you so tired? I over labored today. In Esan language we call it Esan. I'm so tired because I over labored today. In Esan language we translate it, it means egbe lo me Esan be elena. Esan mean labor. I'm so tired because I overwork. I'm so tired because I over labored. Me mission be Elena or sending be that law. It be what law me and then me mission be Elena means a song, that is labor, a song. And we have thinking, to be thinking in your head, to be thinking of something. I have a lot of things in my head. Please leave me, let me think. Think. In Esan language we call it area. Some people think they put hands on their jaw, thinking. Yes, we have sickness. Sickness means a home. For someone to feel sick, for someone not to be feeling fine, sickness. In Esan language we call it a home. Sickness. Somebody is not feeling fine. It means that person is so sick. He or she is sick. We call it a homo in Esan language. We have different. Different mean keke. Which example you see here white color, you see here red color. It simply means different. Keke. It means keke. Keke means different. Here we have white, here we have red. Keke, color keke, different color. That's what we call keke. So generally different means keke in Esan language. Different keke. Then finally we have feast. Feast mean in Esan language. Like Christmas, New Year, In Esan language we have a lot of feast. Festival, traditional festival. So they are called feast. In Esan language we call them ilwemi. So we call all of them feast. Then in Esan language we generally call them ilwemi. Feast, ilwemi. Festival, whatever they might be, ilwemi. If someone died, they're going to do the burial, ilwemi, So we call them feast or festival, whatever it might be. In Esan language. So, friends and family, we have come to today's conclusion of this episode. So I hope you learned something. I hope you are not just looking. I always want you to learn something so that I'm gonna meet you someday. So by the time I meet you, I'm not going to be asking too much questions. I will just turn my eye to this side and say, "Oh, my brother or my sister, what is feast?" Without wasting much time, you give me the answer sharply, without wasting. You will make me proud as a teacher. So this is what I need from you. This is what I want. So guys, I wish you all the best. I wish you success. May the God guide and protect you. So I wish you good luck. Bye bye. We'll meet again next week. We call it a day. I will say bye bye once again. Thank you for being with us. Mostly, please, I would like you guys to subscribe so you can be getting the latest video that we will be uploading, and anytime we upload them. So subscribe, comment, share.